Today's topic revolves around how AI is transforming the face of e-commerce and how you can capitalize on this technology to make up to $20,000 per month. Yes, you heard that right. AI is not only making it easier for us to sell online, but is also enabling entrepreneurs to create unique, in-demand products in no time. We'll guide you through a step-by-step process to establish a profitable Etsy shop selling AI-generated wedding invitations. So, buckle up and let's unravel this together. Welcome back to Simplifying AI, where we decode complex AI concepts into digestible content. We cover an array of topics, tools, and entrepreneurial opportunities related to AI, providing knowledge that caters to every viewer. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, an aspiring entrepreneur, or someone who's just dipping their toes into the field of AI, you're in the right place. To ensure you never miss an exciting update from us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's start with understanding the enormous potential we're looking at here. The wedding industry is worth billions, and a key aspect of it are the wedding invitations. Every year, countless couples hunt for personalized invitations that reflect their unique story. For example, look at this Etsy shop named Paper Realities, selling their wedding templates for $15.63 and have tons of reviews. Or this shop with over 283,000 sales selling wedding invitation templates for $8 each. The opportunities are endless. AI-generated designs, stunning and one-of-a-kind, are an answer to any couple's prayers. And guess what? You don't need a degree in graphic design or an artistic flair to do this. Wondering how it all comes together? It's easier than you might think. Instead of dealing with print-on-demand services, we'll be harnessing the power of AI design tools to sell digital wedding invitation templates directly on Etsy. First off, we create an online Etsy shop, which is super simple to do, and it's free. We then let Midjourney, an AI tool, whip up our wedding invitation designs by giving it prompts. This tool will provide us with designs and inspiration on how the final template should look like. We then finish the design in Canva. When a customer purchases a template, they receive a digital file that they can customize and print on their own. This approach simplifies the process considerably. There's no need to manage printing, packaging, or shipping, making it an efficient and scalable business model. Kicking off your entrepreneurial journey is straightforward. First, you'll establish your Etsy shop. Head over to Etsy.com and scroll down to section that says Sell on Etsy. Tap the Get Started tab and follow the process of setting up your shop. After that, it's time to pick an AI design tool. For this tutorial, we'll be working with Midjourney, an advanced AI tool that generates breathtaking designs from simple text prompts. This is where the magic happens. With Midjourney, your design process is as simple as typing in a brief prompt. A phrase like, "modern beautiful wedding invitation template," will get the AI to generate a design matching your description. Keep experimenting with different prompts until you find a template that is to your liking. For this example, I'll be going with this floral design. Make sure to click on the image and save it. I'll be taking an additional step and crop the image to remove any background Midjourney has generated. Now that we've generated unique designs using our AI tool, it's time to add those finishing touches. For this, we'll be using Canva, a user-friendly graphic design platform. Canva offers a free version of their platform and a paid version called Canva Pro that is $12.99 per month. The Pro version offers the tools we'll need to edit the wedding invitation from Midjourney. First, head over to Canva and create a new project with the dimensions of a standard wedding invitation. Then, upload your AI-generated design to this project. Here's where Canva's magic comes into play. We'll be using the magic eraser feature to get rid of these scribbles generated by Midjourney. You can adjust the colors, typography, layout, and more to truly make the design your own. You can also add additional elements like borders, illustrations, or even your brand logo. You can even take it a step further and add a custom background in Canva, such as this one. This will help attract buyers for your listing. Remember, while the AI has given us a great starting point, it's your creative vision that will bring the design to life. So don't be afraid to experiment until you get a design that truly resonates with your brand and your target audience. Once you're satisfied with your design, simply download it in high resolution, ready to be uploaded to Etsy and sold to your customers. And just like that, you have a unique, polished wedding invitation design, ready to impress your customers. Now that you're armed with your designs, it's time to list them on Etsy. Make sure you upload your designs, price them attractively, and weave compelling product descriptions. An additional step you can take is to have ChatGPT generate an Etsy listing description for your wedding invitation template. You can even ask for it to provide the title name and proper tags. Make sure to ask for multiple iterations until you find the one that matches your design best. Using relevant keywords will ensure your listings climb the ranks in Etsy's search results. Once you've set up shop, it's time to attract customers. Social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies can drive potential buyers to your Etsy shop. First-time discounts or promotions can sweeten the deal. And remember, your reputation hinges on customer reviews, so provide a stellar customer experience. As you start growing, think of diversifying your product offerings. Wedding invitations are just the tip of the iceberg. Consider introducing matching save-the-dates, thank you cards, menu cards, and more. More products mean more sales opportunities. And that's how you cash in on the wedding industry by selling AI-generated wedding invitations on Etsy. An innovative way to leverage AI and create a profitable venture. Remember, your success will ride on creativity, consistency, and customer satisfaction. Thank you for tuning in to Simplifying AI. If you found this video useful, do us a favor by hitting the like button, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel. We'd love to hear your questions or suggestions for future topics in the comments section. Until next time, keep AI simple.